Hi guys, not so long ago I started growing my own peppers. I like spicy food, so I thought that this could allow me to make my own sauces and maybe even good spices. As you can see, they started growing. They don't seem to be doing that well, so the idea came to me that using such a plastic container, maybe I could make a type of greenhouse containment space where I could control both the lighting and the ventilation. So in the following couple of videos I would like to show you how I've built my greenhouse for my peppers.